Hey guys, what do you do with your Aki Awusa chaff after extracting the tiger nut milk? You throw it away? Oh my god, if you're on a low carb diet, a gluten-free diet, or you are just looking to reduce the quantity of carbohydrates you eat here and there, you can dry that chaff, grind it and use it to bake or make a low carb fufu meal. You will need tiger nuts. I am using dry ones because I can only buy dry ones where I live. Outside Nigeria, you can buy tiger nuts on Amazon and some dry fruits shops. In Nigeria, dry and already hydrated tiger nuts are readily available. You can buy them from Hausa malams on the streets and in the markets. Before I start the process, I make sure I have enough sunshine for the next few days. As you can see here, our weather forecast looks so good. Rinse and soak the dry tiger nuts for 24 hours. I keep it in the fridge so fermentation does not kick in. If you are using hydrated tiger nuts, no need to soak, just rinse and grind. After 24 hours, this is what they look like. Blend it with as little water as possible. Sieve the blend to get the tiger nuts milk. I have 2 recipes for how to make tiger nut milk, including the one that will improve your jiggy game. The link should pop up on the screen right now. Chill the tiger nut milk and enjoy. If you're on a strict low-carb diet, remember that tiger nuts contain 19 grams of carbs per 100 grams of tiger nuts, so you don't want to be drinking tiger nut milk. Then spread the chaff in the sun till bone dry. You need at most 2 sessions in very hot sun. This is it when dry. You can see that it is flour quite alright, but it is not as fine as it can be. You can see that the skin did not grind very well. To make it finer, I grind with a dry mill or coffee grinder or spice grinder. If you are in Nigeria, you can take it to heavy-duty grinders for grinding okpa or cassava flour, especially if you are making this in large quantity. You can actually use it to make fufu as it is right now, but for baking, I sieve it to remove the ones that did not grind very well. I use this sieve with a tiny mesh instead of this one that has a wider mesh. You can use this for low-carb baking and for low-carb tiger nuts fufu. The link to the video for the tiger nuts fufu should pop up on the screen right now. Bye bye, see you soon.